More Medic 1. Today we're going to be replacing the front wheel bearings on a lawn tractor. As you can tell, they are just about wore out. To get this front tire and wheel assembly off, you're gonna want to remove the carter key. And I normally just take a pair of side cutters and remove that. And there's two washers, and remove those, and then the wheel should just slide right off, exposing the axle. To remove these old bearings, you're going to want to take just a drift punch, and you're going to want to go right down in here and catch the lip of that inner bearing. Just tap it out. Sometimes they'll come out pretty easy. And then just tap the outer one out. Got the old ones out, and I'm not going to be replacing them back with these plastic bushings. I'm going to be upgrading to actual wheel bearings, and even though that the plastic bearing bushing is thicker, it's not going to matter, and that will press down in there and you'll have a ball bearing to ride on instead of this spinning with the wheel and wearing out the spindle. Also, when you mount this in there, the center will stay stationary, and when the wheel spins, it won't be wearing out your spindle. So this will be an upgrade. So it just basically installs the same way you took them out. Just go ahead and get them tapped down in there. You don't want to tap in the center right here. You want to tap on the outside edge of the race. Flip her over and do the other one. Oh no. I just hit my valve stem. It's dry rotted anyway. Holy crap. Looks like I'll be replacing that for y'all. Show y'all how to do that. I normally don't repair tires here at the shop, but I don't have a bead breaker. But what I normally do is I'll take my adjustable pry bar and I'll go just like this, and I'll tap it and get it seated up under the rim. And just press down, pull down. That one's pretty easy, but sometimes to break the beads on some of these are a PIA. So go ahead and push it down to where you can get to your valve stem. Go ahead and finish ripping it off. Looks like I'm fixing to have to make a trip to town just to get a valve stem, because I looked through all my junk and I didn't have one, so I'll be back in a little while. Hey guys, watch this. This thing's got a turbo on it. Yeah. Going to the Buc-ee's and we're gonna get a drink. What's the matter, mayonnaise? What you doing there, Jack? This place is worse than Walmart. We ain't had none of these yet. And we like these salted caramel beaver nuggets. Oh my goodness. They're so good. Pour some out in my hand, please. That's good. Thank you. Who said they were good?
One of the ladies in there. Because they always taste test them.
Man, it tastes just like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Probably not too good for me. Oh well. Let's go get some parts. Let me try them salted ones.
Yep.
Those are the ones you like, right?
Yeah, the crack.
The crack? Beaver nugget crack? Oh yeah. Pretty good. Mukbang. Beaver nugget mukbang. Look, that looks like a... Oh no. You gotta eat them slow. Savor it. We're in the big town of Terrell, Texas. Any of you moviegoers out there know that the movie star Jamie Foxx grew up in this town. They bought it. Look at all these Cub Kajunks. You know, for the money, these bad boys are not a bad machine. May, wanna go? You get to go to the Tractor Supply. Let's go.
All right, go jump.
Uh-oh, somebody's mad. Wish I had a set of them on my tractor. Oh crap, that's what I was afraid of. They'd have the right thickness, the .453 valve stem hole, but they're just too long. I want them this long, but this has got the big valve stem, or the valve hole. These are 625s, that's a 453. But that's what they got, that's what they got. Just have to get the long ones. It'll look funny. Always try to pass by the dadgum clearance aisle. Look at there. I believe I'm gonna purchase that. I don't need it. Go ahead and slide your valve stem tool and feed it through. And get your valve stem and unscrew the cap, and then you're going to screw this onto the valve stem. That protects the threads as you're pulling it through. Like I said, these valve stems are a little too long, but they'll work. Just give her a tug. That's all it takes. Go ahead and air it up. Put about 10 pounds in it. Go ahead and slide your wheel assembly back onto your spindle. Slide your small washer on first, and then the large washer. Slide your Carter pin on through. And just bend up one side of it. Then put your hubcap back on. As you can tell, that's a whole lot better. Got a little bit of slack in the tie rods, but at least my wheel's not fixing to fall off now. I've already done it, but if you need to tighten up your tie rod lengths, you just follow it all the way through the top of the tractor here, and their tops of the nuts are right there. You can move the steering to get to the other one right there. Pretty simple. Very serviceable. Hey guys, if this video helped you out, give me a thumbs up, and please hit the subscribe button. And when you do that, there's going to be a little bell that pops up. Click on the bell and you'll get all of my videos, upcoming videos, rather. But anyway, y'all have a nice day. More Medic 1.